Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the device ready and confirming the shortcut works on your model. Make sure the phone is on and responsive. Low battery or do not disturb can block audio feedback. Once ready, position your hands so you can press both physical volume keys simultaneously. Press and hold both volume up and volume down for about 3 seconds. You should hear a tone or spoken prompt. If you don't, release and try a firmer press once more, because timing and pressure matter here. Once you hear the initial cue, stay engaged and listen carefully to the spoken prompts. They guide the next confirmation step. If the system asks to confirm enabling Talkback, double-tap the primary confirmation button or follow the spoken instruction. Single taps will select but not activate. Make sure you use 2 hands to stabilize the phone and avoid accidental touches that can cancel the process. After confirmation, the screen reader will begin speaking interface elements. This indicates the feature is active and ready to use. To complete setup, test Talkback immediately. Swipe or double-tap and listen for narration. That confirms full activation. If nothing happens, reboot the device and repeat the button hold. Some models need a fresh start for the shortcut to register. Make sure the accessibility shortcut is enabled in settings if the hardware method still fails, because some vendors require toggling in software first. Finally, adjust speech rate and verbosity in accessibility settings to match your listening preference. This improves comprehension and makes navigation faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.